Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're getting part two. It's a long time coming. Just delay on delay on delay with the company and shipping and all that. So it's finally here. It's gonna happen. The last part of unclapping this 2008 GSXR 600, and we are doing the fairings from a moto part. I already unboxed one piece, so I'll show you guys. So I went with the matte black finish because most of the tank and stuff was black. So I would want to do white, but it already has black wheels and black tank, so I just settled for the black, and we're going for the matte black finish on this bike. Unfortunately, we couldn't work on the bike at HPBL Motorsports, so I'm gonna be working on it in my garage. Today's goal, since I don't have any air ducts on this bike. This bike doesn't have any air ducts, which are supposed to be right here, and I'm not gonna be starting the front end. So today is just gonna be tearing all the fairings down pretty much, and then I'm gonna get started on the rear subframe area, and that's the goal for today. Another thing, when I got this bike, I didn't realize till like 2-3 weeks ago, I think, this dumbass, whoever bought this bike, I can show you from this side a little better. He didn't have any screws mounted on the radiator. On this side, I don't know if you can see that really, but right here where my finger is, this is the mounting point, and it is zip tied to the frame because there was no screws. The only thing holding on this radiator to the bike was this bottom mounting point and this bracket, which is holding on the radiator. There's nothing securing it from this point and then the other point over there. So whenever I was on the freeway, the whole radiator and the coolant tank would just be flapping around. So went to the hardware store today and picked up a couple screws to mount it. I got done with this side and I have to get to the other side. And another couple pieces that came in, the bar ends for the handlebars, and then the rear foot brake is here, which is supposed to be replaced because previous owner did drop this bike in his driveway and ended up bending it. As you can see, it's pretty bent, so this one will be sitting on around here somewhere. You can see how much that has bent, so I'm gonna be replacing that. These floppy mirrors are finally gonna go, which absolutely nothing. When I'm riding, the mirrors just instantly just flapping on highway speeds. Literally useless. So I got some ones off eBay. I believe they are OEM ones, which do have the turn signals and all that. So replacing it with these ones, which should perform a lot better. All right, it's 10:23. I didn't get as much done as I thought I could. What I did get done, I got the bar ends on, and then both radiator screws on as well, on both sides, right here. And then I got the rear seat cover transferred over, and then the two rear side fenders right here. I attempted to take this piece off, but the dumbass who put this piece, he put a weird bracket right here, so no bit in my toolbox can even attach that, so I'll have to deal with that tomorrow. And this is the first day. We're gonna continue doing this tomorrow and the same part. We'll see you guys.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Up until this point, my barber is the one that's been responsible for pretty much setting up and filming this entire video. And the day after all these clips were filmed, I actually went over to his place and we finished up the complete fairing kit. It was a bit of a hassle, and we were not able to record pretty much any of that process because it was getting late into the night and we kind of just wanted to get it done with. The job takes a lot more effort and time when you're trying to film everything you're doing. We did have a lot of hiccups that we had to deal with along the way because there was no fairings on this bike when we started, so kind of trying to figure out how everything went together was a little bit of a challenge, but we ended up getting it done, and we'll cut to the next clip where the owner of the bike completes the rest of the video. Let's get back to it.
Alright guys, it's finally done. After 2.5 days of labor, working hard, ran a little bit of problems, but we got it done. We're really with the matte black, matches my helmet perfectly. What do you guys think in the comments? Excited to make a lot more videos. So what we did, put the new mirrors on that actually work now. Did the bar ends, which turned out to be shit. So I'm probably gonna get normal bar ends for that. Got the decals, the fairings and all that. New foot brake that actually works, as you guys saw earlier in the video. So that's on. The whole livery. And now I'm just gonna go to a montage.